Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Godaddy domain to your Squarespace website. This process involves updating your domain's DNS records. We will cover finding the correct information within Squarespace, then navigating to your Godaddy account to make the necessary changes. Finally, we will discuss how to verify that your domain is successfully connected and live. It's a straightforward process that ensures your website is accessible to everyone. First, log into your Squarespace account and go to your custom domain settings. Here, you will find the essential DNS records needed for the connection. Squarespace typically provides 4 records and 1 CNAME record. The CNAME record for www should point to xcust. Squarespace.com. Carefully write down or copy these exact values, as they are crucial for the next step in Godaddy. Now, head over to Godaddy and log into your account. Navigate to your domain's DNS management page. You will need to edit the existing records to match the 4 IP addresses provided by Squarespace. Also, update the CNAME record for www to point to xcust. Squarespace.com. Ensure all entries are exact, including any periods. This step tells Godaddy where to direct traffic for your domain. After updating your DNS records on Godaddy, it's time to wait. DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. You can periodically check your domain in a web browser to see if your Squarespace site appears. If you encounter any issues, carefully review all your DNS entries on Godaddy against the Squarespace requirements to ensure accuracy. Patience is key during this final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.